You've got a business to run. Every minute and every dollar count. Downtime? Not in the schedule or the budget. That's where a CAT Customer Value Agreement, or CVA, comes in. CVAs are engineered to help you get the most out of your CAT equipment. It's hassle-free maintenance and ownership, security of expert dealer support, and peace of mind from equipment health management. The bottom line? Your dealer makes sure you get the parts and service you need when you need them. Whether you're buying a new machine or looking to protect a used machine, whether you're running a large fleet or just one machine, whether you prefer to do your own maintenance or let a dealer handle it, there's a level of CVA support that fits your operation. Now, let's get into the details. Every CVA includes genuine CAT parts available based on your service intervals. Every CVA also includes Vision Link and CAT Inspect, so you get connected machine data with actionable insights, performance history, and inspection results. Plus, you can include other services like dealer inspections, fluid analysis, and condition monitoring. CVAs don't just help you stay ahead, they also make sure you have a plan for the unexpected. That's where our services commitment comes in. It's all about getting you and your machine back to work. If you service your own machines, you get next-day maintenance, wear, and common repair parts. And if you opt for dealer labor, your repairs get fixed in 2 days. If we don't meet our commitments, you get CAT credits. Another benefit? CVAs with dealer labor get you on track for the CAT Certified Maintain program, which designates your machine as expertly maintained and ready to perform. And when you have documented service history, your machine resale value can increase. With a CVA, you know what to expect and when to expect it. Costs are predictable, maintenance is planned, your machines stay ready to work. You invested in a CAT machine. CVAs help you get the most out of it. Talk to your CAT dealer to learn how a CVA can protect your investment and help your business today.